So today I'm going to show you how to buy on eToro. Now, if you don't already have the platform, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Helps support out the channel, but it gets you right into signing up and getting into the process. Now, we're going to log here onto the computer so you can follow along step by step on how to actually buy on the platform. So we're here on essentially the watch list, which is also the marketplace, and you can see a whole bunch of different options of what you can purchase. Now, keep in mind, this is what you want to do personally yourself and not what we're showing you here as an example. So today we're going to actually go ahead and buy a little bit of Ethereum, which is right over here for us. And you're going to see a buy button right over here. So we're going to go ahead and click on buy. And right over here, it does give you a little bit of information when it comes to buying. Go ahead and click on got it after you finished reading. And right over here, it's going to ask you how much you want to actually go ahead and buy of Ethereum. Now, of course, you do need to have money deposited into your account, which I'll have a link to that video in the show notes down below. Now, from right over here, you can see it has the amount of $25, which is actually the minimum for buying on eToro with Ethereum. So we can go ahead and click higher if we want to. You can go ahead and change the number out if you would like as well too. And then once you're ready to go, you can go ahead and click on open trade right over here. And it's gonna go ahead and have this pop up right over here for you. And just like that, you did your first purchase on eToro. You can kind of see this little graph here that indicates that you now own some of that. You can also click on your portfolio tab right over here so that way you can go ahead and see how your portfolio is doing. Now, I want you to keep on learning how to utilize eToro, so check out my next video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.